we guide you through how to delete an email account on your iPhone. So the first thing you need to do is to open your settings app and scroll down until you find Mail, then tap on Accounts where all your connected email accounts are listed. Choose the email account you want to remove, whether it's iCloud, Gmail, or another provider. Then, tap on it to open its settings. Scroll down and you'll see the Delete Account option. Tap it and confirm by selecting Delete from my iPhone. This will remove the email account along with all synced emails, contacts, and calendars from your device, but not from the actual email provider. If you only want to stop emails without deleting everything, you can toggle off mail instead of deleting the account. Once done, go back to the mail app to confirm the account is no longer there.